In every corner of the world, health begins with disease prevention. And in the fight against preventable diseases, access to vaccines is not a privilege. It is a right. Yet, for several decades, the power to produce vaccines was held by only a few, until a group of visionaries in the developing world decided that health security should not depend on geography. They formed a network, a movement that would change global immunization forever. They are the Developing Countries Vaccine Manufacturers Network, DCVMN. At the turn of the millennium, a new idea took root, strengthening self-sufficiency in vaccine production for the Global South. By 2012, DCVMN established its international secretariat. Today, the Developing Countries Vaccine Manufacturers Network, DCVMN, comprises more than 40 members that produce over 60 types of vaccines, reaching 170 countries and saving lives in every time zone. Together, they supply over half of the world's vaccines distributed by the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, contributing more than 3.5 billion doses each year, ensuring that innovation and sustainability reached every corner of the globe. They are shaping a future where no country is left waiting at the back of the queue. DCVMN stands at the world's most important tables, from the World Health Organization, WHO, to Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, and the Access to COVID Tools Accelerator. It advocates for fair policies, sustainable funding, and innovation led by developing countries themselves. Through partnerships with the World Health Organization, WHO, the World Trade Organization, WTO, and the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, it ensures that global health decisions reflect the realities of those who produce vaccines and those who depend on them. DCVMN work aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all. Because every dose delivered is more than a statistic. It is a promise kept, a child protected, a future secured. At 72 Dragons, we celebrate the Developing Countries Vaccine Manufacturers Network's DCVMN unwavering commitment to a safer, healthier, and more self-reliant world. Because vaccines do more than save lives, they connect humanity at its purest, in care, in courage, and in solidarity. Visit health72.com to observe how we can build a world immune to inequality.